Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create stock items in inventory. So we are learning about inventory info. So to create the stock items in inventory, then you have to go to first gateway of Tally and you have to enter into the inventory info. After going to the inventory info, enter into the stock items to create stock items and select single stock item and create single stock item. Now you can also create stock item in two modes, simple mode and advanced mode. Currently we are creating items into the normal mode. So first give the name of the item, which is raw material 1. You can also give alias to the stock item. Now select under which category you want to put this item. I want to put this item under the raw materials. Now after that you have to select unit of the item, in which unit this item will be. So I am selecting number. All these information are created by us in earlier tutorials. Means to create stock items we must have to create first measure of unit, group of materials, and according to that item we can select this under and units category. After that there is a tariff classification. Currently we are putting it to the not applicable, and rate of duty, which is we are putting 0. Opening balance means how many quantities are currently in the stock. So we are putting it here 100. So on which location currently this item is located. So you can select Ahmedabad 1, Ahmedabad 2, any one of these location of godowns. So we have already created godowns Ahmedabad 1 and Ahmedabad 2. And if you want to put the 50 numbers of item to Ahmedabad 1 and 50 to other, then you can also select from here Ahmedabad 1 15 numbers. You can also put rate of the item, and you have to select Ahmedabad 2 and 50 numbers rate. So this way you can create stock item. Press yes. Here you can see opening balance is 100 numbers and rate of per number is 50 rupees, and total value is also calculated. To save this item, press accept yes. So this item is created in our stock and on particular location. Now you can enter the other stock item details by using same way. So this is the creation of stock item in our inventory. Thank you.